If you're looking for an adults-only paradise in Cancun that rocks harder than most, Hard Rock Hotel Cancun might just be your perfect match. This 5-star all-inclusive resort has been turning up the volume since 2004, and after major renovations in 2018, it's hitting all the right notes for couples and groups seeking luxury with a serious dose of entertainment. Let's dive into what makes this place special, starting with where you'll be resting your head after all those poolside margaritas. The accommodation options here cater to different budgets and preferences. They'll all maintain that signature hard rock style with music memorabilia adorning the walls and sound systems that actually work properly. The standard rooms clock in at a comfortable 452 square feet, featuring either king or twin beds wrapped in modern decor that screams rock and roll without being too over the top. These rooms come loaded with the essentials plus some nice touches like minibars, flat-screen TVs, coffee makers, safes, plush bathrobes, and hairdryers. You'll get garden or partial sea views from most standard accommodations, and honestly, the partial sea views are better than you might expect. The rock memorabilia scattered throughout adds character without feeling gimmicky, and the sound systems are surprisingly good quality for hotel rooms. Step up to the ocean view rooms and you're getting the same 452 square feet, but with unobstructed ocean vistas that make your morning coffee taste better somehow. The private balconies are perfect for watching the sunrise or sunset, depending on your sleep schedule, and the upgraded bath products are a nice touch that shows attention to detail. For those wanting more space to spread out, the suites range from 753 to 1,076 square feet and include separate living areas that make a huge difference when you're staying for more than a few nights. The upgraded minibars, premium toiletries, and enhanced decor justify the price bump, especially if you're celebrating something special. At the top of the accommodation pyramid sits the presidential suite, a massive 1,507 square foot playground complete with multiple rooms, a private terrace, and your own plunge pool. The butler service here isn't just for show either. These folks know how to make you feel like an actual rock star, handling everything from dinner reservations to arranging excursions. When it comes to feeding yourself, Hard Rock Hotel Cancun takes dining seriously, with 5 distinct restaurants that cover the flavor spectrum pretty thoroughly. Coco Maya serves up Mexican fusion in an upscale setting, where the tacos are artistic, and the ceviche is fresh enough to make you forget about that sketchy fish you had at the airport. The grilled meats here are particularly impressive, cooked to perfection and seasoned with spices that dance on your tongue. Blue Agave focuses purely on Mexican cuisine with an extensive tequila bar that offers proper tastings, not just shots that burn your throat. The guacamole is made tableside, which might sound touristy, but actually results in the freshest version you'll taste during your stay. Mediterraneo brings European flavors to the table with pasta dishes that would make your Italian grandmother proud and seafood preparations that showcase the local catch beautifully. For those moments when you just want a good old-fashioned burger without any fancy presentations, Rock and Roll Diner delivers American comfort food from 11 in the morning until late evening. The milkshakes are thick enough to stand a spoon in, and the fries are crispy perfection that pairs wonderfully with their juicy burgers. Oceana represents the fine dining option, requiring reservations and smart casual dress, but delivering an upscale seafood experience that justifies the extra planning. Their lobster preparations are particularly noteworthy, and the grilled fish showcases techniques that elevate simple ingredients into memorable meals. The bar scene keeps the party going with 3 distinct options that cater to different moods and times of day. Rock Bar serves as the central hub with poolside service, live music, and DJ nights that can get pretty energetic depending on the crowd. The cocktails are well crafted, not just sugary tourist drinks, and the bartenders actually know their way around a proper mixer. Agave Bar specializes in tequila and cocktails, offering tastings that educate while they intoxicate, perfect for learning about Mexico's national spirit. Sky Bar provides the most sophisticated atmosphere, with its rooftop location offering panoramic views that make sunset cocktails feel like a religious experience. The smart casual dress code keeps things classy without being stuffy. The pool situation at Hard Rock Hotel Cancun deserves serious praise with 3 main pools that each serve different purposes and moods. The adults-only infinity pool creates that seamless horizon effect that photographs beautifully and feels even better when you're floating with a drink in hand. The lagoon-style pool offers a more relaxed vibe with plenty of space to actually swim rather than just pose, while the swim-up bar pool keeps the party atmosphere alive from morning until evening. The largest pool measures approximately 25 by 12 meters, providing genuine swimming space rather than just a glorified bathtub. Water loungers, cabanas, and consistent music create an atmosphere that balances relaxation with entertainment perfectly. The poolside service operates from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, ensuring you never have to leave your lounger for drinks or snacks. Towel service, cabana rentals, and food delivery mean you can literally spend entire days poolside without missing anything important. The staff maintains the pool areas meticulously, and the water quality stays crystal clear even during peak occupancy periods. Beach access adds another dimension to the water experience with 200 meters of white sand beachfront that feels surprisingly private despite being in the hotel zone. The calm waters make swimming pleasant rather than challenging, and the available water sports include kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment that's actually in good condition. Beach service matches the pool service quality with loungers, umbrellas, towel service, and food and drink delivery that keeps you comfortable throughout the day. The beach staff knows how to balance attentiveness with leaving you alone when you want to zone out. Activities beyond the pools and beach keep energy levels high with entertainment options that go beyond the typical resort offerings. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 9 at night with cardio machines, weights, free weights, and yoga mats that are well maintained and actually functional. Group classes include yoga, Pilates, Zumba, and personal training sessions that cater to different fitness levels and interests. The weekly entertainment schedule rotates between live music, DJ sets, themed parties, karaoke, and trivia nights that can get surprisingly competitive depending on the crowd. Live performances feature local bands, tribute acts, and dance shows that showcase regional talent while maintaining the rock and roll theme throughout. Seasonal events like New Year's Eve parties, Valentine's Day celebrations, and holiday festivities add special touches that make certain times of year particularly memorable. The entertainment staff works hard to keep things fresh and engaging without being pushy or annoying. The Rock Spa provides wellness services that balance relaxation with the energetic resort atmosphere through massages, facials, body wraps, manicures, and pedicures performed by skilled therapists who know their craft. Signature treatments include the rock and roll massage and hard rock detox wrap, which sound gimmicky but actually deliver results that justify their unique names. The facilities include sauna, steam room, relaxation lounge, and hydrotherapy pool that create a comprehensive wellness experience. Operating hours from 9 in the morning until 7 at night accommodate most schedules, and booking online or at spa reception ensures you can secure appointments during busy periods. The spa manages to maintain a peaceful atmosphere despite being part of a lively resort, creating a genuine escape when you need to recharge your batteries. Since this is an adults-only resort, families with children will need to look elsewhere, but this focus allows Hard Rock Hotel Cancun to create an atmosphere that caters specifically to grown-up fun without worrying about keeping things family-friendly. This means later night entertainment, stronger drinks, and conversations that don't need to be monitored for little ears. The location in Cancun's hotel zone puts you within easy reach of numerous attractions that showcase the region's natural beauty and cultural heritage. El Rey ruins sit just 2 kilometers away, accessible by taxi or hotel shuttle, offering a glimpse into ancient Mayan civilization without requiring a full-day trip. Eckerett Park, located 50 kilometers away, provides an extensive cultural and nature experience with underground rivers, wildlife exhibits, and evening shows that celebrate Mexican history and traditions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.